What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Windy City Homie here, guys, and we're back at it again for another muffler installation. But this time, guys, it's a little bit different because it's not on any of our personal vehicles, but this is actually the for the muffler giveaway winner. He's actually on his way now. I just pulled up a little bit early so I can talk to my boys right here at Economic Muffler Repair. And so yeah, guys, this is going to be the video of me finally handing over the prize that I promised to you guys that enter for the giveaway, so you guys can see that whatever I told you guys, it was going to be it. So yeah, today, like I said, guys, we're actually gonna go ahead and install it to my boy 773 Rico. He's the lucky winner. He came up first at the pick, so he's the winner of the muffler. So we're waiting for him to pull up right now. He actually just texted me he's about a minute away. So yeah, guys, we already paid out my boy Aldo Moreno also for the haircut. I still owe him for the shirt and the hat pins and the keychain, due to the fact that I wasn't able to pull up while he was getting the haircut by my boy Jail Blends. Pero one of these days we're definitely gonna reach up to him and to go ahead and hand over that third place prize. So we already paid the first and second place, which second and third place is literally the same guy. It's just like I said, guys, I forgot to well, I didn't forget, I just got out of work late, and by the time he was done getting the haircut, he was gone already. Pero pues yeah, bro, Aldo Moreno, we're gonna get in touch with you ASAP so we can go ahead and hand you that price as well. Pero pues yeah, guys, that's gonna be the whole purpose of this video, of me paying the free muffler installation, and you guys are gonna see that it's gonna be totally free. Once we're done, we're gonna talk to my boy so you guys can see that he didn't have to pay a single penny for it. So yeah, guys, other than that, you guys keep staying in tune. So there you go, guys. Literally, as soon as I turned off the camera, they literally pulled up. Like I said, he was only about a minute away. But pues yeah, guys, we got the lucky winner here. So we're about to wait off for a couple of minutes just so they can be done what they gotta do inside. And so that way we can go ahead and take this beautiful Suburban inside and get some muffler work on it. But yeah, guys, here it is. Here's the lucky winner. Rev it real quick, bro. Go ahead. So yeah, guys, that's how it sounds right now. You're gonna see how it completely sounds different right now as soon as we install the muffler. So yeah, guys, we'll wait a couple of minutes and we'll pick up the camera in a little bit. Guys, yeah, my boys, they already got me in. They're rating it up. They're gonna check real quick a ver what the winner is gonna go ahead and decide to do. And so yeah, guys, ahorita que la tengan arriba, we'll pick it up now. Yeah, the low key that looks better with. Yeah, low key that looks better. Gonna go with that one? Yeah. Okay. So sí, se quiere poner esa y sacar la derecha para acá atrás. Sí, so básicamente en vez de tenerla aquí, derecho para atrás. Y le hago el Flowmaster y el 40 Series. Nah. This is how damn near the 6-inch will look. Damn near. Yeah. Pero pues ahí está, guys. So my boy finally decided. So what we're gonna do is obviously remove the original muffler, remove the piping from that side to making it straight for the bumper itself. Y luego, ¿cuál te fuiste, bro? Huh? The duo, ¿verdad? Yeah. With this duo right here. So Yeah, low-key this one looks better. Ya que está más bajita, güey, you can kind of low-key like put it right now. Esta, ¿cómo ve? Ahí atrás. ¿Se queda chido o no? ¿En el mero medio? This one, oh no, never mind. Damn, this bitch still got it back here. Cause normally the gas tanks are different on these, but I guess this one is just like a 2-doors. But yeah, guys, we'll record a couple of cinematics right now, and then we just kind of go from there, and then you guys see how it sounds. Obviously, we stepped on it as soon as he pulled up. We'll step on it again once he's done with the muffler and see how it sounds from there. So you guys keep on staying tuned. Go guys, ya va para abajo. My boy Edgar se la aventó like always. Derechito. ¿Ya quedó, Edgar? Así, let's see how it sounds. You should record this, man. The lucky winner, guys. Ya quedó su truck. Now we're gonna see how it sounds. Hasta que truene, Edgar. Chifla, ¿verdad? Esa madre chifla. Esa güey chifló, güey, what the fuck? Yeah. It was hot? Yeah, that bitch sounds good as fuck, güey. Yeah, he got the Hellcat Suburban. Alright guys, pues ahí está, ya quedó. Appreciate the lucky winner right here, 773 Rico. He's thinking about starting his own YouTube channel, so y'all stay tuned for that one. In case if he does it before I upload this video, I'll make sure I drop everything. If not, y'all stay tuned for that. But pues yeah, bro, anything you want to say to them? How was the experience, everything that went through today?
Shit, the experience was good. Sounds real awesome.
Yeah, you guys, ahorita, y'all gonna hear it before it comes out. But pues yeah, look, here it comes right now. Yeah. guys hear right there, he has a little bit of exhaust leak that he's gonna get that situated after he replaces the headers. But yeah, again, appreciate my boy Edgar for hooking us up again. It's been paid for again. I paid for it, guys. My boy didn't have to pay for nothing except for just bringing it right here. Pero ya quedó. ¿Algo que quiera decir, Edgar? Yeah. ¿Cuál es la dirección y el número de teléfono de aquí?
8501 Sur Comercial, Chicago,
But yeah, guys, I'll make sure I'll put out the address and the phone number right here. Appreciate my boy for hooking us up again. And then I appreciate my boy for coming out here, subscribing. And this could be you once we hit our 750 subscribers, guys. We're gonna go ahead and do another free muffler giveaway. This time's gonna be a dual. I only hooked up my boat with a single because that was the giveaway. But the next one is gonna be a dual. Same muffler, 40 series Flowmaster. Like I said, that one it is used, but once we hit that that goal, we'll make another video for you guys to comment, same process, and then bring it out here to my boy Edgar once it's done. And so yeah, other than that, you guys keep staying tuned.